Hey guys, what's up? So today my phone fell and it broke, but come on, it doesn't stop us from making a vlog. We're going for a naming ceremony now, and after the naming ceremony, we're going for a birthday party. I don't know how the guy is gonna turn up for the birthday party, but I just know he's gonna do some shit. I don't know what he's gonna do actually, but we got drinks, we got different kind of drinks. So we're gonna start with the naming ceremony first. We're heading there right now. Before we go, we're gonna pick some guys up, then we're gonna be heading there. My fiance will be here soon, so I'll be waiting for her. It's almost that. What's the time right now? What's the time? There she is. Look at the person we're waiting for. Thank God I haven't. Come on, I've told her so many times. Always call before coming, and she didn't call. I don't know why. Oh, she's stressed. Oh, look at her. Look at her. She's so stressed.
Right. It's Amala time. And what? What is English?
Rice time for you. Dude. Coca.
Yeah, FN.
Oh, stop over there. So we're done and we're heading to another place. Bye bye.
Done where?
Naming ceremony now for the birthday party.
YouTube.
So baby. That's where we're going. We're going to meet the birthday boy. Oh my God.
You don't start.
You don't start. Boss. And the new wedded man. Everything now. Congrats, man. We really enjoy our wedding. We still do okay. We try well.
Now you talk that one. Anyhow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And
Why the announcement? But I felt bad now. I had to message you like, I'm so sorry.
See, hello. Only you can do that. Good, I'm drinking this. The birthday guy. Hey.
It's okay. One about. Yeah, sorry. How does it taste?
Horrible.
I'm Polo Loco.
now.
You buy
As I
it.
don't finish this one, I will buy another one. Keep am. So next year.
Why? That's how you do it. And only you. You drink it only. You don't share it with anybody.
I'll drink it.
You don't share it with anybody.
Pineapple is a 500.
Pineapple, watermelon, apple, banana. Watermelon is also 500. Is it by kg or?
What? How does it taste?
It's really refreshing. mix.
mix.
Oh. Okay, this is orange, pineapple, and what? And watermelon.
Orange, pineapple,
And watermelon. This is guys. Cucumber waters. It's really nice. Sorry. What's the name of this place? Top Fruit. Okay, you really need to come to Top Fruit. They have the best cucumber waters.